Baked Blurring Finishing Powder by Milani, shade 170. Tan Deep. I'll swatch for you. This is what Tan Deep 170 is. I first picked 180 and it was deep warm. Made me red. I will put that video up here in the cards and also in the description so you can look at it. I went back and exchanged it and get the Tan Deep 170. This one has a yellow undertone, so let's try it together and see if this one is a better fit. I don't have the 180. I returned it. I wasn't going to hold and make a comparison. I just wanted to exchange it because I knew it was just wrong undertone. So if you're here to see how 170 Tan Deep looks on my complexion, keep watching. I did the first video in natural light, 180 deep warm in natural light. I am going to do 170 Tan Deep in natural light. All I have is this window. I'm not putting any artificial lights because I want us to see how this looks in real time. I'm also using the same brush. It's by e.l.f. This is finely milled. It is baked, but it is looking like I have the right one this time. So far, so good. When I'm done, we will see if that is truly the right shade. But so far, I am liking this one. Can you see my forehead? And can you see here? I don't have any hair, but I have on my forehead. This is so light. If this works, I think this will become one of my top 5. Because putting even the other one, the 180, when I had it on, it was light on the face. I mean, the wrong shade and undertone, but it felt like I had nothing. And again, it is the Milani Blurring Finishing Powder. It's the Baked Blurring Finishing Powder. I am putting it everywhere, just like I did the last one, because I want to do the exact same thing. Like I say, this one is starting to look like it is the right shade. And I'm just stamping it in, and I'm using a lot. When you use finishing powder, you don't use a lot. You just use just what you need to just set whatever you're using. But for this demonstration, I am using a lot so we can see what the shade truly looks like. This is looking good. I might have a winner. I might have a winner. I'm doing my under eye. And now I'm just blending everything in since everything has been stamped. Wow. This is looking good. Milani Baked Pressed Blurring Finishing Powder. This is what my face is looking like with number 170 Tan Deep with golden undertone. This is it. I think I have found my shade. They don't have that many shades, but this is the one. Take a look at the first one I did, which is Deep Warm 180, and tell me what you think, if this is my right shade. Appreciate you for watching. Always know that you are important. And your I am for today is I am ready to accept the things about me that is true. I am ready to accept the things about me that is true. I will see you shortly, and until then, hype this video, share it with someone else, and as always, you are welcome here on this channel. Bye.